Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this guide will show you how to join the Roblox Universe Football Discord server. First, you need to go ahead and open your web browser, then go to discord.com. After that, log into your specific account on Discord. Now, once you're logged in, you need to go ahead on the left-hand sidebar, go ahead and tap on this plus icon over here that is indicating add a server. Choose the join server option that is in the bottom of this menu that appears. Now you need to put the invite link over here. In the invite box, type in UFB in all capital letters and then click on join server that is highlighted in purple color and you'll be done. And once you're joined, you need to follow a few steps like send a message in the main chat like hi, and then go to the verify tab to update your roles. And after that, you'll be able to see all the other channels as well. So that's it for this video. You're now in the Universe Football Discord server. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.